Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. Hope you're well today. So I got a quick video for you today, mainly because I've seen a few people on Facebook and forums obviously asking about this issue that the cigarette lighter stopped working. They can't charge the phone, but the camera is not working because it's plugged into it. So there's simple solutions for this, guys. It's not a major issue usually. So the first one, obviously check if it's working or not. Obviously if it's not charging your phone, then obviously it's not working, and I would have a look at the contacts first. So in my case, my one's not working because I've actually dropped the key in there, because I usually put the keys there and they dropped and made the contact, obviously burned the fuse which is located in there. So that's what I'm going to be doing, but I just want to let you know that sometimes you can have an issue if you had water in there. Obviously you're going to corrode, you'll see some green stuff in there. The best solution for that is to get yourself a contact cleaner and a wire brush, a little one, and just clean it all off, scrape it all off, and obviously spray contact cleaner, obviously turn the ignition off while you're doing that, just to be safe. And after that, obviously double check if it's working. The other thing I would say, if you bought a new car and it never worked, someone might have done some work on it and unplugged it on the other side, so you will have to pop this cover off. It comes out quite easily, and obviously check if it's plugged in. But the first thing ever that I would do is obviously check the fuse, because like I said, I've overloaded the system with my key going in there, making contact, so it's blown the fuse, which is very easy. I'm going to show you the location of the fuse as well, which is what a lot of people look after as well, trying to find out where it is and which fuse it is, because it kills the rear one and the front one in the same time. So I'm going to show you obviously where the fuse is and how to replace it. Right, so the fuses are all in here, well most of them anyway. But what we need to do today, just pop the cover off. You got a little cut out there that you can get your key in. It's held by those clips. So if you pop it off, this is the fuse, the yellow one, 20 amp fuse. This is your fuse for your cigarette light sockets. So I already replaced my one. You can see, if you can obviously pull it out as long as the ignition is off. Use some pliers, get it out of there, and you can see the little like rainbow there, pretty much. The metal bit, you'll see if it's burned, it's obviously going to be broken or black, but in this case it's all good. Obviously it's a new fuse, so I'm going to pop it back in there. Right, so now that I've replaced the fuse, the 20 amp fuse like I showed you, obviously that was my issue today. I'm going to turn the ignition on and my socket is in there and I can see the blue light, so obviously it's working now, so that's great, guys. Like I said, first thing, look at the fuse. Second thing, look if you got corrosion in there. If not, obviously have a look if it's plugged in from the other side. You have to pull the cover off, and that is pretty much everything they have to look at, guys. If it's still not working, you can always comment below and let me know, and I will help you out. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, guys, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and obviously you can share it with your friends. Have a good day, see you later.